the Igbos are responsible for the killing of Sardauna. The Igbos are the ones who killed the Tafawa Balewa. The question is, who killed Abiola? So this is currently what is moving or trending in the social media, especially in northern part of Nigeria. And what is bringing all these controversies, it is because of the movement of Obi and Kwankwaso. So people are doing everything possible to make sure they stop this OK movement, especially in northern Nigeria. So, but one thing that really amazes me, it is the younger generation in the northern part of Nigeria that are beginning to ask Nigeria uncomfortable question. Who is responsible for killing of Abiola and Kudirat Abiola? These people died under the regime of Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida. If Babangida was responsible for the killing of Abiola, does it mean Babangida represents the whole North? Because the person who killed Sardauna and Tafawa Balewa is an Igbo man, does it mean he represents the whole Igbo land or Igbo people? It's high time for us to start asking an uncomfortable questions, because the Igbos are no longer responsible for our current menace. There has been killing in the northern part of Nigeria for more than 8 decades. Who is responsible for the killing, banditry, kidnapping that is currently going on in the northern part of Nigeria? Are they the Igbos? Please, Nigerians, it's high time for us to begin to wise up. Because I messed up. In fact, I'm an indigene of Borno State. I am Bura by tribe from our local government. So if I happen to mess up, does it mean I represent the whole Bura land or the whole northern part of Nigeria? No. Because Fulani are the ones who are killing and invading territories in northern Nigeria. Does it mean they represent the whole North? No. In every tribe, every region, and every religion, there are good people, there are bad people. It's high time for us to begin to wise up, especially in northern part of Nigeria. The reason why I'm saying this is because the day northern Nigeria rises, Nigeria will rise again, and Africa will become great again.